Just today, after I came from school, my dad showed me this heartbreaking, unforgettable video. The video was about a lion being killed just because of injuring a Boda Boda rider. The rider was not injured badly, but he had claw marks in his back. This is when the lion gets killed.
So what do you think about
People
that?
were rushing up to see the lion dead. Most people were unhappy about this. These were the claw marks in the Boda Boda rider's back.
So what do you think about people killing lions?
I think that it's not fair for animals to be treated lesser than humans.
Great, Elvis.
Just because we have higher intelligence doesn't mean we're in charge of Earth.
That's unbelievable. That's a great statement.
Thank you.
So what do you think they should have done?
I think they should have at least lured it into a trap that had a person hiding with a tranquilizer gun. Then when the lion came near, the man would shoot the lion with the tranquilizer gun and the lion would be knocked out so that they wouldn't have to hurt it and the lion wouldn't feel any pain during when it was being moved. And that would make sure that the lion wouldn't remember anything when it's being moved. So, what I think is that it's wrong.
Very wrong.
Yes, very wrong to treat animals like they're just dust. Tiny specks of dust. I think we should care about them more because lions are an endangered species. There are many endangered species of animals on Earth, and I think we should protect them from extinction. We should make sure that animals are not treated less than us. We should be treated fairly and the same. Also, I think we should leave food out for other animals that haven't eaten for days, that can't find a home.
Okay. Have you ever seen a lion in your life?
Yes, actually, last week we went to the San Diego Safari Park.
You saw lions there?
Yes, and the species, they were endangered.
Other species that were endangered, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you think, so that is the closest you've come to a lion, right?
Yes, but I didn't interfere with anything about the lion. We were kept high above the lion's enclosure to make sure. Yes.
So where do you think they got those lions from?
I think the lions that they got, I think that the lions came from Africa. And I'm not sure whether the lions were happy or unhappy that they were being moved, but
Thousands of miles from their habitat, right?
yeah.
Have you ever been to Kenya?
Yes.
And Elsie, have you ever been to Kenya?
Yeah.
How many times? Did you see wild animals there?
Yeah.
You did, right? So what do you think about that lion that has just been killed? Should they have done that?
No,
No? Why?
because it was nature.
Nature, right? So should we protect nature?
Yeah.
What is nature? There are things like what?
Plants, so we don't like rip them out,
Right.
and so we don't like just cut one from the ground and then we don't even use it.
Right. So we should protect nature, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do to protect nature?
You give it food,
Okay.
water,
Right.
sunshine,
Right.
and shelter.
Okay, come on, Elvis. So what would be your message to the guys who killed that lion and to the world? I mean,
I
to the rest of the people.
That you shouldn't interfere with animals' lives. And I think that you should just let them roam free. But when you see a lion, just pretend that you're dead and maybe they might
No, it's
leave
gonna kill
alone.
you.
Really?
I think it would. Probably you shouldn't interfere with their habitat, right?
Yeah.
Should make sure that you don't get into their territory, right?
Yes.
Okay. And to the rest of the people in the
I think that you should just leave the world alone. Just because we're the only living things that can walk and talk. And I think that we shouldn't think that we're in charge of Earth just because we're more intelligent. And I think we should just go about our lives, not use science too much, like to maybe destroy the environment. Science that could do that. And I think that we should do nothing. Keep our way out of nature and just
let it be.
Mhm.
Good. You agree with your brother's
proclamation.
proclamation? Do you agree with that, Elsie?
Yes.
Yes.
See you next time. Bye. Protect nature. Stay out of its way. We love nature every day. Bye. Good cheer. Thanks.